Now, if you've ever heard a red-tailed hawk, when they're in their full glory and they're soaring over a field, they do this beautiful kind of call. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's what they use in all the movies, even though eagles don't make that sound. Every time you see an eagle in a movie, they play that call. Anytime you see a falcon in the movie, they play that call. The Atlanta Falcons play that call.
Raptor Weekend is the Audubon Society Rhode Island's largest fundraiser of the year. We're in our 12th year, and this is a rare opportunity for people to see birds of prey up close. So owls and hawks, and more importantly eagles, which a lot of people don't get a chance to see up close. And they can come and learn about these wonderful and majestic birds, interact with them and see them, and have that moment. It's a bird that people don't often see, so this is a rare opportunity.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done.
Good job, good job.
If you look up far down, you'll see that silly string of words that my mom taught me when I was 6. So I'll do the call and you can...
Okay, lean in, girls. Izzy, I didn't hear you. Can you do it, Izzy? I'm sorry.
And then sometimes they just do the U-Wall part. They go, ooh-wall.
Hey, Jen.
Ooh-wall.